And then we use a future time clause. Yeah, future time clause. Yeah, so remember time clause. Yeah, so time clause we use before, after, as soon as, when, plus if. Yeah, so actually there are 5. Yeah, so before, after, as soon as, when, and then if. Yeah, okay. So so assume that we deal with the present. Assume we deal with the future. Yeah, so something that is not, that hasn't happened yet. Yeah, so for example, if it rains tomorrow. Yeah, if it rains tomorrow. Yeah, for example, after. Yeah, after I get home tomorrow, or before I get home tomorrow. So getting home is something sure, something that is fixed. Yeah, so in my life I get home. Yeah, okay. Yeah, and we can say after I get home, and then what? Before I get home, and then what? Yeah, and then when I get home, and then what? Or as soon as I get home, and then what? So when and as soon as is the same. Both of them are the same. Yeah, so when and as soon as are the same. Yeah, okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, and what I stress in this lesson is that when we use such as like yeah, so make sure that you use a present simple verb. Yeah, so present simple verb. Yeah, so when you use when, yeah, when I come home tomorrow, before I come home tomorrow, as soon as I come home tomorrow. Yeah, or if no, if it. So because come home is something that is that must happen. Yeah, okay. So make sure that you use present simple verb or simple form of the verb. Yeah, so for example, as soon as I come home tomorrow, I will call you. Or before I come home tomorrow, I will call you. And then as soon as I come home tomorrow, I'll call you. And then when I come home tomorrow, I'll call you. Yeah, but not if. Yeah, because if has a different meaning. Yeah, so if is something that is not sure. Yeah, now if can be used when we use such as if it rains tomorrow. Yeah, if it rains tomorrow, I will not go out. Yeah, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. Yeah, so what I'm stressing right now is for time clauses. Yeah, so time clauses for future are the clauses starting from the words when, as soon as, before, or after. Yeah, yeah. So when, as soon as, before, or after. Yeah. So when we use those 4 words, make sure that after that we use a simple form. So for example, when I come home tomorrow, I'll call you. As soon as I come home tomorrow, I'll call you. Yeah, okay. And then before I come home tomorrow, I will call you. And after I come home tomorrow, not after I will come. Yeah, after I come home tomorrow, I will call you. Yeah, and then if, yeah, actually if has the same structure but different meaning. Yeah, because if it means that something that can happen and cannot happen. So we cannot use if for something like if I come home tomorrow. So it's weird. Yeah, so it's technically and structurally okay, grammarly okay, but the meaning is not right. Yeah, okay. So if can be used for if it rains tomorrow, I will not go out. Yeah, if it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. Yeah, okay. So something like that. Thank you.
A few moments later.
And find the time clause. Yeah, find the time clause. Where is the time clause? Yeah. Exercise 32, the time clause is after I get home tonight, clause, and before he leaves his office today, time clause, and then when I go to the market tomorrow, time clause, and then the next is before I go to bed tonight, time clause, and then after I graduate next year. Yeah, so those are time clauses, and it's connected to future. Yeah, future. Yeah, so you remember that the time clause for future is in present simple. Yeah. Okay, that's in the future. Yeah, after I get home, get is in the future. Get in the present simple, leaves present simple, go present simple, graduate also present simple. Yeah. So remember, mention that we use simple form of the verb type clause for future. Yeah, simple form of the verb or present simple. Present simple, time clause for future. Yeah, use simple form of the verb, present simple, such as get, and then we use leaves, and then we use go, then we use graduates. Yeah. Okay. So remember that. Pay attention to that. Thank you. Time clause. Yeah. After I finish, okay, when I see, okay, we pay attention to the time clause verb first. When I go shopping, when I go shopping tomorrow, time clause. After I finish, yeah, simple form of the verb. When I see, so pay attention, guys. It's a simple form of the verb. When I go to Australia next month, Mr. Polanski before she works. Second garden this afternoon. Time clause. Time clause is in the simple form of the verb. Yeah. Okay. Then you could I am going to bed. We use future tense for this. Going to buy a new coat, and then after I finish my homework this evening, I'm going to. I use a future verb. Take walk. Walk. When I see Eduardo tomorrow, going to ask him to join us. I'm going to Mr. Polanski Yeah, so I assume that the future one is part of the plan. It's already planned. Yeah, going to set. That's why I'm using to be going to, because I assume that it's part of the plan. Yeah. So assume that the activity is part of the plan. That's why I use to be going. Yeah. Okay, that's right.